Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever placed an order on Temo and wondered where it is? Tracking your order is super simple, whether it's still processing, shipped, or delivered. Let's walk through the steps to keep tabs on your purchases. First, open your Temo app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the U icon at the bottom of the app. Select your orders. From here, you can tap processing to see orders still being prepared, tap ship to track items already on the way, tap delivered to view completed orders. And if you're returning anything, just tap returns to see updates. That's it. Super quick and easy. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.